It doesn't matter if you're a teacher. I ask that every single day when you come to school and you look at the students, when you're working with the students, when they come into your classroom, when they ride your bus, when they're in your cafeteria line, I ask that you look at these students and you don't just see them where they are, but I want you to see them where they can become. When I speak, it doesn't matter if I'm speaking to students, to staff, or to parents. One of the most important things we must do, if we want to have the most amazing year, if you all want to go and lead the entire Rio Grande Valley, if you want to be leader.
The motivational speakers were completely awesome. They all did a tremendous job. Everybody had their own little story, what they wanted to get across to our kids.
I am limitless.
I'm the pig. I'm the pig. I go all in.
The speakers did a very, very good job. They need that motivation. They need that drive. They came and gave some of their personal lives and examples.
When all of a sudden the car starts to shake and we hear this loud boom, waking up to hear the words, "You'll never walk again." One more step that I crutched up to be able to get closer to walking again. 3 years later, I ran my first 5K after that accident.
Motivating kids to come to school is our biggest challenge, and getting kids here, having people come speak to them and tell them their stories is really a big impact.
That pig was all in. All in. I need you to be the pig.
I would recommend them. They were so motivational. There's a lot of kids that need this kind of thought. They just did a great job.
I am who I am. Says I am. No. This is something different. I want to thank every single one of you for being here today. I want to thank this city because this city gave me an opportunity. I want everybody in the room to say the word numbers. And all over my face, all over my shirt, I'm laughing, walking to class, I'm both laughing. And the teacher's standing outside, and I asked my friend, I said, we're going to take this took on Friday, it's Monday, it's no way. But I know how teachers are. A pop quiz is get a pop. A test is unexpected. But I look at
the amount of interaction. You were very interactive, you got them hyped, you got them excited, and I think it really does set the tone for the rest of the program.
They are the best out there. So it wasn't the standard motivational speech. It really resonated with a lot of the Latinos we have here. The hardships, these students are coming from so many different backgrounds. And for them to be able to look in the front of the room, see a leader, see someone who's so successful, and relate to that background, is just a perfect start to this program.
So just because I accomplished my dream didn't mean that it was going to be easy. Once you get to your dream, it takes another step. You got to hang on to your dream. That's why I love that illusion that we were able to do, this illusion with the kids holding on to their dream. I love that illusion because it takes a special person.
today, I choose effort, education, excellence.
Clarence Lee was awesome today. Our teachers really enjoyed it. He was inspiring. His testimony really touched the heart.
It was awesome. It was awesome to hear all his experiences and how that affected his life and his career, and his testimony about his family and how that inspired him to inspire others.
Our kids were very blessed and very excited to have him here today. Today's favorite part was when he brought the students down and used the students as examples.
Is this my biggest problem? Is this my biggest problem? So I'm up, take the microphone, be a rock star. You say 1, 2, 3, you guys make some noise. Here we go, my brother, go!
1, 2, 3.
Guys, you know why we just did that? Look at that. She said, perseverance, never give up. I'm in a room full of Mexicans who just had breakfast, but still waiting for lunch. When they brought your friend up with the pink, you're like, woo! It's like, I think I heard her say spring break. Join me because I want If the society is a body, you guys are the heart pumping out new blood into this world. What you do is so important, but you have to take time to fuel your own tank. Spot, take it in, allow yourself to be awesome, allow yourself to be great. Game on just like this man did.
Hold on!
Get set. Go. Come right. Go. Left.
Oh, yeah.
Hey team, what's good? It's your girl Kiana with 360 Athletics, and today we're going to talk about taking a step back. Now I know that sounds counterintuitive, right? Because as athletes, we always want to be moving forward, progressing in our sport. But hear me out. So I played softball for many, many years, center field to be exact. And when you're starting to learn to be an outfielder, one of the first things they teach you is to take a step back, like a drop step. Why is that? Technically, it's because it's much easier to catch a ball that's in front of us than to chase a ball that's behind us. But I like to think about it in terms of perspective, right? Taking a step back allows us to gain perspective.
Hey, what's up, guys? You're here with Coach Press today, and our theme of the week is preparation. Coach Kirby Smart, the head coach of the University of Georgia, the two-time defending national champions, one of his quotes, he says, "How do you play well? You got to practice well and you got to prepare well." And how do you prepare well? When nobody is watching. One of my biggest pet peeves as a coach is when I'm going around and I'm watching kids working out and I see kids taking reps off in the weight room, but the moment that I come around and I come right beside them, they start to all of a sudden start working hard, start to run a little faster. Why? That was a character flaw in their preparation because they only wanted to work hard when somebody was watching. I ask that you guys always prepare with the same mindset. Always prepare to work hard. Always prepare to beat your opponent. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Coach Medina with 360 Athletics. And today, this week, we're talking about bravery. A lot of people, they ask me all the time after a speech, after an event, they ask me, "Jonathan, what does it mean to be brave?" Because a lot of people think that it's not having any fear. A lot of people believe that it's not having any anxiety. A lot of athletes believe that it's just about never being nervous. But that is not what bravery is. Bravery is having fear and still going and executing. Bravery is having fear and overcoming the fear and going and taking action. I have to admit, standing on this field, the first time I ever got to this field, I sat on those bleachers and I was nervous. I was fearful and I had anxiety. I didn't know if I was a good enough student to attend a school like
Chase. Chase, man, we chasing something. Chase is important, man. It's about chasing your dreams. The things you want so bad, man, you gotta chase them. It's not gonna come to you. It's not gonna be there. you gotta go get it. See, every opportunity you gotta chase your dreams. Every opportunity you gotta chase an opportunity. Nothing is given to you, man. Nothing is given to you. And in the game of sports, the game of life, you gotta chase it. You gotta go after it. It's gonna be hard. It ain't gonna be easy, I promise you. I know it's not. You know it's not, because you've been chasing something for so long. People want the NFL, but you gotta chase that dream. That dream ain't easy. That dream is difficult. And I'm gonna tell you how great the chase has to be. You have to embrace the chase. You have to embrace the journey. It's like a lion. A lion, the hunt is cool.